Hey all you jammers, it's me, LPS Crazy Girl 101 here, and it's new stuff is here today on June 21st, 2012. Alright. There's new stuff, and for good news for you non-members, you get to be penguins now. And yeah. There's all sorts of new stuff. Oh, and the new Penguins Only party is really fun. There's non-member stuff. Oh, only one thing. Wait, what? Where's everybody getting those balloons? On. Oh. I did not know that. Alright, and there's slides too that you can go down on. Where's everybody getting those ice things? Oh, found it. Ooh. That's cool. Oh, and if you remember, you can buy the music. Here's how it sounds. So yeah, I hope y'all like that. Alright guys, make sure to get back on Animal Jam. Non-members, be a penguin. And make sure to subscribe, rate, and oh my gosh, there's a guy that likes me. Never mind, let's go on. Alright, make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye.